Hey guys, today we're gonna draw Olaf from the movie Frozen, right?
Yep.
I'm here with Juliana, and we're gonna show you how to draw that. Before we begin, if you guys wanna follow along, which we definitely encourage you guys to do so, you can fast forward, rewind, pause at any time, but grab a piece of paper, a handy Sharpie, and a bunch of colored markers, and follow along, right?
Yep, but before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button.
That's right. Okay,
Let's
here
do
we
this.
go. All right. All right, so let's start off with the bottom of Olaf's body. So the snowball, the big snowball at the bottom. So we're gonna draw a big snowball at the bottom here. Ready? So we'll draw like this, and he's not really round. He's a little bit more boxy shape. So it's gonna be like that, and then we're gonna come up here like this. Okay, good job. Now at the bottom, we're gonna put one leg out to the side. So we're gonna, watch this. We're gonna do a box like this. This is gonna be his foot on that side. Yep. And then on this side, he's kind of kicking this leg up. So we're gonna draw this one a little bit higher. So watch how I do it here. So like this, and then we'll do a box like that, and this one's kind of tapered in that way. That's it, okay. Now, we're gonna draw the middle or top part of his body. So this one's gonna be smaller than this shape, so it's gonna be a little bit smaller. And then don't forget, we're gonna have his head kind of kicking out a little bit tipped over sideways here. So I'm gonna start right about here. So not this full length, but about half of this, okay? So right about here, I'm gonna draw like a bulge like this. Yep. And then on this side, I'm gonna draw a shape like this. That kind of like points. Yep. Okay. And then we're gonna have a couple creases here, like this, and then almost rounded like this, but they don't touch, and a little one like that. Okay. And then you can put two button shapes. They can be round, but his are like a little bit of just like different. It's not really a perfect circle. Yep, and then another one here, like that. And then he has another one, just a little bit smaller, right there. All right, now his head is gonna be tilted in this direction here, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a line from his neck, which is here. Actually, let's do this. Let's put his neck shape like this, okay? So similar to these lines, there's like another snowball of a head here, all right? So now we're gonna go out in this direction like that. So we're gonna do, and it's kind of like not a box, it gets bigger at the top, okay? So we're gonna go, and if you measure like about this, how big his body is, it's about how big his head is, okay? So we wanna draw almost like the same distance, okay? So we'll go like this, we'll come up this way, and then we'll hook like that. That's gonna be his cheek. And then we're gonna have a nose. Let's draw a nose right here, and his nose is like this, watch. His nose goes like this, okay, so like a little C shape in this direction, and then it's round like this, so it goes round like that. Now, see this cheek here? Here's his other cheek on this side, so we're gonna, almost like this is a heart shape, so we're gonna come around like this, and then we're gonna kind of tuck it in there. That's it. Good. Now, his mouth is right here. So what we're gonna do is we're almost gonna follow the same kind of curve here, and we're gonna end it here. So we're gonna start around here, and we're gonna end right around there. And we're gonna do a nice smiley shape like this. Yeah, almost kind of looks like a mustache, right? All right, now down here is his mouth. So we're gonna start on the inside, right about there, okay? Okay, we're not gonna go to the edges. We're gonna be inside a little bit. And we're gonna come and do like a U shape, like this. Come up and back that way. All right, and then let's do his chin. So he has a little tiny U shape there. And his teeth follow the curve like this and like this. So this side of his tooth follows this line, parallel to that. And then on this side, it's parallel that way. And then this line here, it's the same curve like the top of his mouth. So we'll curve that like that. Awesome, good job. All right, now let's do his eyes, okay? So we're gonna do one eye over here, and they're gonna be almost the same size of his nose. So I'm gonna do one eye like this. And then the other one's really close, it's almost touching, and we're gonna do the same size like that. And then his eyeball comes from here, like that. And then the other one, we can kind of float it right there. That's it. All right, and then we'll do two little white dot highlights on his eye. And then go ahead and color that in, Juliana, okay?
Okay.
Let's color those in. All right, and then the top of his eye, he has kind of a little like a dark shape around it. So what we're gonna do is just kind of grow like a piece off the top, like that, kind of like this, and then you can kind of fill it in. If you want to do a little bit thicker, you can do that. That's it, kind of like his eye. Now he has two eyebrows. So right just above his eye, we're gonna go from the center here, just a little bit over to the side. We'll do one that kind of points downwards. All right, and then up here, we're gonna round this, and then we're gonna bring it and point it down there. Okay, and then on this side, we'll do the same thing. We'll draw a line this way. And then we'll do another rounded shape and point it at the bottom. All right, now for the top of his head's a little bit flat up here, and then it curves this way. So we're gonna come, and it's gonna come really close to his eyebrow. We're gonna come up like that, not too high above his eyebrow, and then we're gonna come like this, and if you touch, it's okay. Yep. And then come down on almost in the middle of his cheek here, like that. All right, and then he has kind of like a few like real thin tree branches sticking out here. You kind of give it little branches, like that. And the last thing are his arms. So he has two big branches. So we're gonna do one arm over here, and you can make this a little bit wavy. And when you stop, try to don't go too high up, okay? There we go. And now he has like three little wooden ends that make up his like fingers. Actually, there's four. Like that. And then you could, this side here, it could be kind of a little bumpy, like for his elbow, something like that. That's it, yeah. And then on this one's gonna come out over here, and he's gonna be waving high. So right over here, we'll do like a little bit of a wavy shape. And then his thumb's gonna point upwards. And then he's gonna have like another couple fingers sticking off like that. It's okay if you draw the fingers like however you want. Just remember they're kind of like sticks. There we go. That's it. All right, so there you go. We just took care of Olaf from the movie Frozen. And what do you think? You like it?
I think it looks great.
Yeah, it does. All right, so we're gonna color these up for you guys, all right? All right, here we go. All right, so there's our Olaf. Yours looks really good, Julianne. I'm proud of you.
Hopefully yours looks good as well, you guys.
Yeah, hopefully you guys that were following along, it looks awesome just like these guys do. All right, so we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.